Hello everyone, this is Rachna and I am here with the phrase for you. In this particular video, we are going to talk about the kinds of phrases, and we are not going to be covering just about every phrase. You're only going to cover a few phrases for you. So let's consider this particular sentence. The children were playing in the field. Now, if we look at the children were playing, it makes some sense, right? But if we say in the field, it really doesn't make complete sense, isn't it? So this is the reason, this is where we say in the field is a phrase. So you see, it is not a sentence. It has neither a subject nor a predicate, and it definitely cannot stand alone. So this particular in the field is a phrase. So if we look at the definition of a phrase, we can say a phrase is a group of words that express a concept and is used as a unit within a sentence. Now that might sound a little complicated, so why not just simplify it? We'll say a group of words without a verb, subject, object or predicate is called a phrase. So look at this particular example again. We camped alongside the river. Now if we use alongside the river, then what alongside the river? What is alongside the river? So you see, this doesn't stand complete, and it cannot stand alone. That is why alongside the river becomes a phrase. In this video, we are going to cover three kinds of phrases, that is the noun phrase, adjective phrase and adverb phrase. So let's understand noun phrase first. A noun phrase is a group of two or more words that is headed by a noun, a person, place or thing. So let's simplify this. A group of words which work as a noun in a sentence is called a noun phrase. Now please bear this in mind that they include modifiers. For example, the, of, them, with her. Let's take for example, good people like to help their fellow men. Now in this particular sentence, the group of words to help their fellow men is the object of the verb like, and it does the work of a noun. Hence, it is a noun phrase. Now let's understand adjective phrase. An adjective phrase, also known as adjectival phrase, refers to a group of words comprising of an adjective. An adjective phrase gives more information about a noun or a pronoun. Now if we simplify this, we can say that an adjective phrase is a group of words that does the work of an adjective in a sentence. It can also be placed before or after the noun or pronoun in a sentence. Now, if you look at a hill tribe, that is an adjective. But if we look at a tribe dwelling in the hills, that becomes an adjective phrase. Right? So I hope adjective phrase is clear to you all. Now let's understand adverb phrase. An adverb phrase is a group of words that functions as an adverb. It usually answers the questions of how, where and why something happened. It can modify a verb, adjective or an adverb. So let's take for example, the man talked rudely. Now, obviously, we can ask, how did the man talk? The answer is rudely. So, here the adverb phrase is rudely. Well, with this, we come to the end of this session of phrases. There is a lot more to phrases, but here we are going to cover only these three. With this, I take your leave. Thank you so much for being there, and I request you all to take very, very good care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe, drink lots of water, and do a lot of breathing exercises.